What's up, guys? How you doing?
This is what we do for you guys to get good footage because the window is dirty.
So this gift for every U.S. National Park entrance station. It covers all entrance fees.
Okay.
Let me see it. Ooh, official. I think she felt a little uncomfortable with the camera.
I think she finally saw it.
Yeah. Hey guys, we're at Yellowstone Park today. We're gonna meet up with some friends and we're headed to a place we've never been before. It's called Fairy Falls. It's just like a 2-mile hike and it sounds like fun, so we'll probably go to Old Faithful after that, and yeah, we'll just see where the day takes us. So close, it's terrifying.
I think we're a little bit nervous. Starting off the hike with that, like right on the trailhead, like a little bit scary.
Let's keep going.
Amazing. I just feel like I'm living right now.
Dude, I could barely even get my feet wet. Like, we're all dying. It's so cold.
It's so cold that you feel alive. Like, it's just amazing.
I'm so glad. Having a panic attack. The nerves.
We're not doing so hot.
What happened?
Well, when me and Ben were jumping off the rock, I felt the hat slip off with the GoPro attached, and like it's just gone. Like there's nothing. Like the water is probably like 36 degrees, like the coldest water I've ever been in my life. Like I was trying to like hold my breath and get in there and get it, but it was just like I couldn't breathe.
Yeah.
It was so cold I couldn't breathe under there. Yeah, so I lost the GoPro and lost my hat. It's a real bummer I lost my hat. I really liked that hat.
Everything was going great until someone lost their GoPro.
Yeah, for real. It's just like, it's just like one of those things that just makes you like mad, and it's just like, what are you gonna do, you know? Like,
yeah, it's like out of your control.
Yeah, so there might be a part 2 to this that maybe we'll go find the GoPro on another day, but as for today, it's just too cold. My body temperature's too cold. I can't stand to swim in the water anymore.
Yeah.
But
it's not worth it if you're gonna die over it.
Yeah, it's not the fact that we just lost the GoPro. It's also the footage on the GoPro that really, like, it just hurts. So I don't know.
Big bummer. On our way home now, and we're on Firehole Lake Drive, just a little side loop road, and there's some really pretty geysers here. We got some good shots, so
yeah, if you guys don't want to get out of the car and walk and see all of them, there's smaller to medium size geysers and hot pools that you can come check out that are literally right off the road. So we recommend it if you don't want to walk, and since we've already hiked 5 miles today,
yeah,
it's calling our name. Eat Firehole Lake.
Cheers.
Eat the...
Oh! Here we are. One way. Alright. So I'll just say thanks for watching, subscribe. Okay, yeah. I just choked on my own spit. Okay. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, watch our other videos, all that good stuff. Love you guys.
See you guys.